Tonight I'm gonna get my spark on.
The way you living is so damn sneaky. Thought you had it going on and you flipped me over easy. But now I tell you one last time, I'm out to get mine. I'm out to get mine.
I ain't going for it this time.
It will never be the same. No, baby.
We can hook up, no mistake.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here. And if you're an oldie but goodie, hey sis, how you been? So today I will be showing you guys how to get this cute top up, top down situation. I did receive this wig from Divatress.com. They were nice enough to send this wig over to me. As you guys know, I have worked with Divatress several times now. We have a very good relationship, so they are always asking me, you know, if I want to try new units, and I'm always saying yes because they have bomb units. The last unit that I reviewed for them was that unicorn wig. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it over there. That video now has like 11,000 views, so a lot of you guys really like that video. This is another affordable unit. This wig actually came in this hairstyle, believe it or not. Like, they made this wig to like go up like this, so that's why I have my hairstyle like this. This is not 100% my doings. I will have to give the wig credit. One thing that I really like about this particular unit is that it's very versatile, so I think a lot of you guys will like this wig because you can wear it in more ways than just one. If you haven't already, make sure that you guys are following me on social media. I am very active on Instagram these days, so you definitely want to check me out on IG. Don't forget to also follow Divatress on their Instagram account. I will leave it down below for you guys to check them out. So if you want to see how I slayed this wig from start to finish, and you also want to know the pros and the cons to this wig, then you definitely want to continue watching. So you guys, we got a new unit. So I got a new order from Divatress. Divatress sent over another wig. I've worked with them several times in the past, and we've built a pretty good relationship. So good that they gave me a free Got to Be Glued spray, and they gave me some free Got to Be Glued. Some of the things that they see me use in all of my tutorials. So I thought that was really nice that they sent that along with this unit. So this unit is from Beyond Your Imagination. This is actually a sister wig unit, so that's pretty cool. I've tried sister wigs in the past. So I'm gonna open this up for you guys. I'm just trying to find the name of it because I don't know the name of this unit, but I'm about to find out. So it has a full circle hand tie situation, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. Just gonna dump that out. This is the container. The hair on camera, it looks like super shiny, so hopefully it's not like too shiny, but this is what it looks like on the mannequin. It is what they call a moon part, so basically it's a part all the way around here. I forgot to get my wig cap. I'll be back. I need a wig cap. So I got a stocking cap. Right now I just have like a fishnet cap on or whatever. So now I'm gonna put on the stocking cap, and you can get these at any beauty supply store. Just gonna plop that on. So typically what I would do is I would put like my foundation and everything, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna take this out. Here is what it looks like. It already has a rubber band on the middle part, so that's interesting. So this is the inside. That's pretty much all there is to it. So let me get the name of this. This is called the BYD MP-Lace H Fab. Girl, I'm pretty sure there's, okay, this is the Fab unit. It's Fab. I have it in the color 1. So let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. It comes with baby hairs and all that good stuff. It's pre-curls. This is just a fishnet that was on there. And then as you guys can see, it comes with the rubber band already on the middle section. So I'm excited to try this unit out. Some more stuff you guys don't care about. Has a little foam protector. These are all great things. So the inside construction of the wig, it's lace, and it has a bunch of combs. It has combs, 3 combs at the top. It has lace that surrounds there, and then it has a comb at the bottom, and then it has adjustable straps. I'm gonna put this unit on just like how it is, including the rubber band that they have on here, just to see what it looks like. I'm not even tightening it or anything. I'm gonna pull her up front. So the unit isn't very full. I I'm gonna cut this tag out ASAP. But the unit isn't really full, so I'm gonna pull this part down. And then it has a little rubber band. So I'm gonna take the rubber band off of here, and we're gonna fix this. Cause you could take it down and you don't have to wear it like that. Like, you can wear it down like this. However it is that you wanna wear the unit. Girl, this is looking a little crazy. Let me zoom y'all in. Girl, who is she? Who is she? Okay, so this is pretty cute, like down as well. So you could put it on either side, so this wig is definitely versatile. The hair itself is very light and fluffy, so I do like that. If you want to have like a flip over kind of thing, like this is an option. Just to like have your hair like this. But I still feel like you need some kind of comb or brush or something to like get it right. Let's see. Like this is cute. To have like a really exaggerated bang look if you wanted to. Like this is a really cute wig. I highly recommend this wig. I don't even know how much this wig costs. So I'm gonna take the wig off now. And I'm gonna adjust it. I'm gonna cut the lace off of here, and I feel so much better taking that off. I ain't gonna lie to you. And since I have new Got To Be Glue spray and gel, we are good to go. I don't have to go running around the house looking for that. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and cut the lace off, but now I need to cut all these combs out. I'm not gonna cut all the combs out because there's so many, and I just don't want to waste like so much time like sitting here cutting out combs. So I'm just gonna cut out the ones in the top, the ones that affect me the most, because combs to me are very uncomfortable unless you just have like really thick hair and that's how you apply your wigs. I think that's the only way that combs work. But for me, I just don't like putting combs in my hair because I feel like when you take them out, like they snag your hair, especially for like our hair, you know what I'm saying, African American hair, black hair, whatever you want to call it. Our hair gets tangled up in the simplest of things, so it's just not recommended. I'm gonna put my freeze spray on.
You miss me, just come get me. Don't know, I just know I want to. Don't know, I just know I want you. I'd rather be breaking things, 'cause we can't see, we're too busy kissing, just making scenes. Here come the police.
I needed to comb this. That's what I should have did. Let me see. They actually did a pretty good job with the baby hair too, so I'm happy about that. I don't even have any product on the baby hair right now, but they did a really good job on the baby hair. Okay. It's actually pretty cute right now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs for real. So this is like a really simple wig. You can obviously do more if you want to do more baby hairs. You want to do no baby hairs if you don't even want to wear it as a top up situation. But I wanted to wear it in this top up situation because that's how the wig is styled on the mannequin. So I wanted to show you guys the use of this part. This is called a moon part. And like I said, this wig was sent to me from Divatress, and I have, oh my gosh, dude, my face, you guys can't even see this, but my face is so sweaty. So let me go pat dry. But yeah, you guys, this is the quick and easy look. Like, this didn't take nothing for me to do. Because it's already pretty much styled. The baby hair is cut for me. I didn't have to cut baby hairs in this wig. I don't know why, but it seems like every time I get a wig from Divatress, like the wigs that I pick out always end up selling out. Because, hold on, like the wigs that I pick out though on Divatress.com, they always end up selling out like before I can even review the doggone wig. Because this wig, I looked on their website trying to get like the details on it for this video, and I can't find this wig anywhere. So that's a bummer. But I do see that this wig retails around like the $30 range online. But obviously, you know, I'm not gonna suggest that you go anywhere else. However, I do know that Divatress does restock their wigs like every 2 weeks. So if you do see a wig that you like, you can DM them. You can send them a direct message on Instagram and ask them, you know, when they're going to be getting a specific wig in stock. So I might have to hit them up and ask them as well, and then I'll post it like on social media or something later. All in all, I really like this wig. Highly suggest it. It's super affordable. It's like only $30, which is amazing. As far as the length on this hair, I want to say this is probably about like a 20-inch. As far as like this lower half, it's probably like a 20-inch, and this top part I would say is probably like a 16 or 18-inch at the top. So this wig is very light. It's very fluffy. I love the curls in here. No matter how many times I run my hands through this, you know, like the curls are staying in there. They're very voluminous. The baby hairs made it super easy. Usually when like companies pre-make baby hairs, like I could never use them, but I actually was able to use the baby hairs that they had in here. One thing that I like about sister wigs is that they most of the time, I feel like nowadays they're paying attention to the hair trends that are out there and then applying it into a synthetic wig format, because synthetic wigs have come an extremely long way from back when I used to see synthetic wigs. Like, girl, they have come a long way. So that's one thing that I really like about this unit. It's definitely on trend. It's something that we would wear nowadays. Like, it's not like aged or anything, and this wig is very versatile. If you didn't want to wear it up, you can wear it off to the side, you can wear it to this side, you can have a middle part. The only thing is, like, behind this is like tracks, so all like soon as this ends, like this front little piece, there's a bunch of tracks in here, so you can't part it down the middle. But what you can do is you can take the wig where this part is and then just turn it to a middle part. You know what I'm saying? You know, you can do a lot with this hair. So that's one thing that I do like about this particular unit, is that it is very versatile. But just keep in mind that there is going to be some shedding, there is going to be some tangling. Nothing major right now, but it is synthetic hair, and that's just something that you should expect with synthetic hair. Now, if it's human hair, it's a different story. Then it's like, honey, we need to talk. This wig has issues. But this wig, it really isn't giving me any issues, so I love that. Definitely shout out to Divatress for sending me over this wig and sending over some free Got To Be Glue products, because you guys know I use these all the time. So that was really nice that they added this in my order. Definitely check this wig out. I would say I would leave a link down to this wig down below, but Divatress doesn't have the wig available, and I would hate to like put another company's website link on this video. So if you want the wig, I would say to just Google it for now. I will put a link down below whenever Divatress does decide to restock this wig, but as of right now, Divatress does not have this wig available on their website. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Deuces!